Find or read reviews that people are talking about Nichro Robotic Pool Skimmer with 2 cleaning modes. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 2 charging options. Our pool skimmer can be easily switched between solar-powered charging for eco-friendly operation or 2500 mAh adapter for fast charging, ensuring your pool stays sparkling year-round. 2 cleaning modes. Our robotic pool cleaner has 2 speed modes, normal mode for daily cleaning and sport mode for quick cleaning to meet your different cleaning needs. Automatic obstacle avoidance. Equipped with advanced ultrasonic radar technology, our robotic pool cleaner detects obstacles in its path and adjusts its course, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning without getting stuck. Superior cleaning power. Engineered with twin-salt chlorine tolerant (SCT) motors, our pool cleaner robot moves at a rapid speed of 10 to 15 meters per minute, worked with the 1000 rpm per minute front roller brush. The solar pool skimmer quickly removes all debris from the water surface. Upgraded design debris basket. Innovative design of drawer trash basket prevents trash leakage. Say goodbye to frequent emptying with our large capacity debris basket, capable of collecting leaves, petals, hair and insects, allowing for extended cleaning sessions without interruption. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.